Have you ever tried a collagen supplement, only to break out in hives, or feel like it just doesn't agree with your body? Or maybe you follow a plant-based diet and avoid animal products, which makes most collagen supplements a no-go. Are you someone who struggles with collagen powders because of allergies or sensitivities? Maybe you're vegetarian or just don't eat meat, and you're wondering how to support your skin's health and elasticity without relying on animal-based collagen. Or perhaps you've been asking yourself, how much fruit should I actually eat each day to keep my skin youthful and fight aging? If any of these sound familiar, you're not alone. Many people, especially after age 30, start noticing changes in their skin. Less firmness, more fine lines, a duller glow. And while collagen supplements are everywhere these days, not everyone can or wants to take them. The good news? Nature already offers powerful solutions. Certain fruits are packed with vitamin C, antioxidants, and natural enzymes that help your body boost its own collagen production from the inside out. In today's video, we're diving into real, natural ways to rebuild collagen. No powders, no needles, and no animal products required. If you've been searching for simple, food-based ways to nourish your skin and age gracefully, you're in the right place. Let's explore the best collagen-boosting fruits, how much to eat, and how to make this part of your everyday life. No stress, just glow. Why collagen matters. If you've ever looked in a mirror and quietly thought, I want to rebuild collagen, you're not alone. Many women start noticing subtle changes in their appearance after age 30. And by the time we reach our 40s, 50s, or 60s, those small shifts can feel dramatic. Wrinkles deepen, skin feels thinner, and that healthy, radiant glow begins to fade. One viewer put it perfectly. My bones, nails, weak skin is very dull, pigmented, very old look me. So what's really happening? The answer lies in collagen, a structural protein that acts like scaffolding for your skin, bones, and joints. It gives your skin its firmness, smoothness, and bounce. Think of collagen as the framework that holds everything together. And when that framework starts breaking down, we start to see the effects: sagging skin, fine lines, fragile nails, and brittle hair. Starting in your early 30s, your natural collagen production begins to slow down. It's a gradual decline, but it accelerates with time. By the time we hit menopause, estrogen drops, and so does collagen. And it's not just age working against us. Stress, poor sleep, a high-sugar diet, and even sun exposure can damage existing collagen and block your body's ability to make more. But here's the good news. Your body can rebuild collagen if you give it the right tools. And some of the best tools are already in your kitchen. Let's take a closer look at how natural foods, especially fruits, can help your skin bounce back gracefully and naturally. Struggles with collagen supplements. For many women, the first thing they try when they notice signs of aging is a collagen supplement. It makes sense. They're marketed as quick fixes for glowing skin, strong nails, and fewer wrinkles. But for some, it's not that simple. One viewer shared, I found out I'm allergic to collagen powders. Another admitted, it's difficult for me to eat animal flesh. What can I do? And then there's this honest question, I'm vegetarian. What can I do for my food consumption? These are very real challenges. Many collagen supplements are made from bovine, cow, or marine fish sources. That's a deal breaker for anyone who avoids animal products, follows a plant-based lifestyle, or has sensitivities. And even if you can take them, collagen powders and pills can come with unpleasant side effects, like bloating, breakouts, or even joint pain. Not to mention, they could be expensive and taste, well, far from delicious. It's frustrating when something that's supposed to help ends up causing more problems. That's why so many women are turning to nature instead. Instead of relying on processed powders or animal-based pills, they're discovering that whole, fresh foods, especially fruits, can be just as powerful in supporting the body's natural collagen production. You don't have to rely on expensive, hard-to-digest supplements. Nature has already created incredible tools to help your skin glow again. And the best part? You'll know exactly what you're putting into your body. No fillers, no mystery ingredients, just real nourishment. So if collagen supplements haven't worked for you, or you simply don't want to go that route, don't worry. There's a better, more natural way. And it starts with your next grocery trip. Can fruits really help? The science behind it. If you've ever wondered, can you get enough collagen from food? You're asking the right question. It's one we hear a lot. Another viewer put it this way. How do you know how much collagen you need per day? Let's clear things up. Here's the truth. When you eat collagen, whether from food or supplements, your body breaks it down into amino acids. It doesn't just stay as collagen and magically go straight to your skin. What actually works better? Giving your body the raw materials it needs to build its own collagen. That's where food, especially fruit, comes in. Collagen synthesis, your body's natural production, depends on a few key building blocks. Vitamin C, absolutely essential. Without it, your body can't even start making collagen. Amino acids like glycine and proline, which your body combines to form collagen strands. Zinc and copper, which act like spark plugs to help the process run smoothly. Antioxidants, to protect existing collagen from damage caused by free radicals, which speed up aging. Many fruits are loaded with these essentials. Citrus fruits, guava, kiwi, strawberries, and papaya, for example, are bursting with vitamin C and antioxidants. Other fruits, like blueberries and tomatoes, offer phytonutrients that protect collagen from breakdown. Here's a helpful way to think about it. Your body is the collagen factory. Fruits are the supplies. Eating the right fruits doesn't give you collagen directly. It gives your body the tools to build it naturally. This is more sustainable, more bioavailable, and often gentler on your body than taking a supplement. Plus, when you're getting these nutrients from whole foods, you're also getting hydration, fiber, and plant compounds that no powder can replicate. It's real food working in harmony with your body. So yes, fruits can absolutely help rebuild collagen when you eat the right ones and enough of them. Let's look at exactly which fruits make the biggest difference. 8 best fruits that boost collagen naturally. You're not alone if you've never thought about collagen-boosting foods for skin elasticity until now. Many women rely on creams and supplements, yet forget that the grocery aisle might be the best skincare aisle of all. Let's explore 8 powerful fruits that nourish your body from the inside out, helping it naturally build collagen. No pills required. Number 1, guava, a vitamin C powerhouse. Guava is one of the richest natural sources of vitamin C, 4 times more than oranges. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen synthesis, helping the body link amino acids together into strong, resilient collagen fibers. Boosts firmness, reduces sagging, and helps repair sun-damaged skin. Vitamin C also helps fade age spots and brighten your tone. Slice it and sprinkle with a little lime and chili for a zesty snack, or blend into a morning smoothie. You can even find pre-cut guava in many supermarkets. Number 2, kiwi, the sleep and skin superfruit. Kiwi is not only rich in vitamin C, but also contains vitamin E, folate, and serotonin-boosting compounds, making it a unique fruit that supports both skin and sleep. Vitamin C helps with collagen, while antioxidants protect against oxidative stress, one of collagen's worst enemies. Better sleep also means better skin repair overnight. Eat with a spoon, peel and slice into salads, or blend into green smoothies. Number 3, papaya. Digestion plus glow in one. Papaya contains papain, an enzyme that aids digestion and reduces inflammation. It's rich in vitamin C, beta-carotene, and flavonoids. It improves nutrient absorption, meaning more skin-boosting nutrients reach your cells, and helps fade dark spots, reduce redness, and restore glow. Scoop it fresh, eat as is, or blend with mango and lime for a tropical smoothie. Number 4, strawberry, the sweet collagen booster. Strawberries are delicious and packed with vitamin C. 1 cup has nearly 100% of your daily needs. Vitamin C triggers collagen production and strengthens the skin's barrier. Antioxidants help reduce damage from pollution and UV exposure. Eat them fresh, add to oatmeal, or mix in a Greek yogurt. Even frozen strawberries retain most nutrients. Number 5, mango, a skin regenerator. Mango is rich in vitamin A, as beta-carotene, which your body converts into retinol, one of the most powerful skin-renewing nutrients. Supports cell turnover, reduces pigmentation, and strengthens the skin structure beneath the surface. Eat sliced with lime, in fruit salads, or blended into lassi or smoothies. Number 6. Citrus fruits. Classic, trusted skin allies. Oranges, grapefruits, lemons, and limes are classic sources of vitamin C. Easy to find, budget-friendly, and always refreshing. Stimulate collagen production, brighten dull skin, and help balance skin tone. Lemons also support liver health, crucial for detox and radiant skin. Squeeze into water, eat raw, add zest to dishes, or use in salad dressings. Number 7. Tomato. Red protection for your skin. Tomatoes are loaded with lycopene, a powerful antioxidant that helps protect skin from UV damage and supports collagen stability. Lycopene acts like a shield, keeping collagen fibers from breaking down under sun exposure and stress. Also contains vitamin C. Raw in salads, cooked in soups or sauces. Cooked tomatoes release more lycopene. Combine with olive oil for better absorption. Number 8. Blueberries. Little berries, big protection. These tiny berries are antioxidant powerhouses, especially rich in anthocyanins that neutralize collagen-damaging free radicals. Preserve existing collagen, reduce inflammation, and improve circulation to the skin. Great for women experiencing dullness or redness. Sprinkle on cereal, add to smoothies, or eat frozen as a refreshing snack. You don't need exotic powders or complex regimens. Nature has already provided what your skin truly needs to thrive. As one viewer put it, never thought about collagen-boosting foods for skin elasticity until now. Well, now you know. And the best part? These fruits aren't just good for your skin. They're good for your heart, your digestion, and your spirit. So, which one will you try first? Eating fruit the wrong way can negatively impact collagen production. While fruits are essential for collagen production, eating them the wrong way can actually work against you. For example, loading up on fruit juices, especially store-bought ones, may flood your system with sugar but offer very little fiber. Too much sugar, even from natural sources, can trigger a process called glycation, which damages collagen and accelerates skin aging. Another common mistake? Eating fruit alone on an empty stomach, which can spike blood sugar and cause energy crashes. Over time, this can lead to inflammation, another major collagen killer. And let's not forget timing. Grazing on fruit late at night or pairing it with processed snacks can throw off digestion, reducing your body's ability to absorb key nutrients like vitamin C and zinc. So yes, fruit is powerful, but when, how, and what you pair it with matters just as much. Think of fruit as medicine. It works best in the right dose at the right time. How much fruit should you eat per day? A common question we hear is, how much fruit should I actually eat each day to keep my skin youthful and fight aging? Another viewer chimed in. 2 servings? I already eat 4. Great questions, because when it comes to collagen, quality and variety matter just as much as quantity. The USDA recommends about 1.5 to 2 cups of fruit per day for adults. But if your goal is radiant, collagen-supported skin, you might want to aim a little higher. 3 to 4 servings spread throughout the day is ideal for many women. The key is balance. Start your morning with berries or citrus in your oatmeal. Enjoy sliced kiwi or papaya with lunch. Add guava or mango to your smoothie and snack on apple or blueberries in the afternoon. If you're diabetic or sensitive to sugar, focus on low glycemic fruits like berries, grapefruit, or kiwi, and always pair them with protein or healthy fat to stabilize blood sugar. Don't worry if fresh fruit isn't always available. Frozen fruit retains most nutrients and can be just as effective for supporting collagen. Plus, it's budget-friendly and easy to store. Eat smart, space it out, and let nature do the work. Meal and snack ideas with collagen-boosting fruits. One viewer said it best. I pause halfway through to make a fruit smoothie. That's exactly the kind of excitement we love, because making collagen-friendly choices doesn't have to feel like a chore. In fact, it should feel like a treat. Here are some easy and delicious ways to work these powerhouse fruits into your day. No stress, no pressure. Morning smoothie starter. Blend half a cup strawberries, 1/2 banana, a few slices of mango, a spoonful of Greek yogurt, or almond butter, and water or almond milk. This combo packs vitamin C, fiber, and healthy fat, all perfect for kickstarting collagen production. Quick collagen-boosting breakfast. Top a bowl of warm oats with orange slices and chia seeds. The citrus fuels collagen, while chia adds omega-3s, great for skin elasticity. Midday snack. Slice up a kiwi and pair it with a handful of almonds. This combo gives you vitamin C and healthy fats to protect existing collagen. Refreshing, skin-loving water. Add a few sliced strawberries and fresh lemon to your water. Let it sit in the fridge for an hour. Your skin and taste buds will thank you. And don't be afraid to experiment. One viewer shared, guava with chili and lime sounds delicious and good for the skin. It absolutely is, and it adds a fun, flavorful twist to your fruit routine. Small swaps like these, repeated daily, can add up to big results. The key isn't perfection, it's consistency. Keep things simple, colorful, and joyful, and your skin will reflect it. For vegans and those who avoid supplements. I'm vegetarian. What now? If you're plant-based or simply can't tolerate collagen supplements, you still have powerful options. Fruits alone are a great start, but pairing them with plant-based proteins like lentils, chickpeas, hemp seeds, tofu, and nuts can provide the amino acid your body needs to build collagen naturally. The real key is vitamin C, which activates collagen production, and antioxidants, which protect it. Luckily, a vegan or vegetarian diet rich in colorful fruits and vegetables already checks those boxes. You don't need animal-based products to care for your skin. With the right food combinations, your body can thrive, and so can your glow. A collagen-rich life is absolutely possible on a plant-based plate. Other habits that support collagen naturally. What about walking 3 to 4 hours after breakfast? Does that count? What lifestyle changes help with natural collagen build? Absolutely, it counts. Gentle movement like walking after meals improves circulation and helps deliver nutrients like vitamin C and zinc to your skin cells. But lifestyle doesn't stop there. If you're serious about preserving collagen, sleep is critical. Aim for 7 to 8 hours a night to give your body time to repair and regenerate tissue. Stay hydrated. Water helps transport nutrients where they're needed and keeps your skin plump and elastic. Cutting back on sugar is another big win, as excess sugar can trigger glycation, which breaks down collagen fibers. A little daily movement goes a long way. Yoga, light weights, or even stretching all help boost blood flow and muscle tone, giving skin a firmer, lifted appearance over time. And don't forget sun protection and stress management. UV rays and cortisol are two of collagen's biggest enemies. So put on that sunscreen, take a deep breath, and carve out time to relax. Because collagen isn't just about what you eat. It's also about how you live. Aging gracefully. Getting older doesn't mean losing your beauty. It means rediscovering it in new ways. Your skin may change, but your strength, wisdom, and confidence can shine through even brighter. When you give your body what it needs, nourishing food, hydration, movement, and rest, you're not just supporting collagen. You're nurturing your inner glow, too. This journey isn't about chasing youth. It's about aging with energy, intention, and grace. Let this be a reminder. You are still vibrant, still evolving, still worthy of every bit of care you give yourself. And when you look in the mirror, may you see not flaws, but the beauty of a woman becoming more herself every day. You don't need powders, needles, or complicated routines to feel and look your best. With the right fruits, habits, and mindset, you can support your skin naturally, joyfully, and without pressure. So here's your simple action step. Try adding 1 or 2 of these collagen-boosting fruits to your meals this week. Whether it's guava in your smoothie or strawberries in your salad, start where you are. And we'd love to hear from you. Drop a comment below and share. Which fruit are you starting with? Your journey might inspire someone else to begin theirs. If you found this helpful, give it a like, share it with a friend, or send it to your book club. And don't forget to subscribe for more uplifting health tips made just for women like you. Here's to aging with vitality and loving every stage along the way.